What's the meaning of algebraic? Algebraic. 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 Algebraic.
The term algebraic refers to anything related to algebra, which is the branch of mathematics that deals with mathematical equations and symbols. Algebraic expressions are composed of variables, constants, and mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The solutions to algebraic equations can be expressed as numbers or other mathematical expressions. The use of algebraic techniques has applications in various fields including science, engineering, finance, and economics. In summary, algebraic refers to the study and manipulation of mathematical expressions and equations using variables and mathematical operations.